didn't you? You captured the real me. I mean, that's beautiful. I could cry. All right, listen, you two. I got a job for you, Splodge.
Actually, it's a splatter.
And Dodge.
But I ain't got time to say both names.
Oh, well.
I've come back to find a steam engine.
Oh, that's easy. Yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah, you came in. Not the one I want. She escaped me once before. As long as she exists, so do the others. But if she can be destroyed...
Destroy? Did you say destroy?
B word.
Like hurt?
Yeah, destroyed.
There's one small problem there, boss.
Yeah, Mr. Conductor's coming, and he won't let you destroy.
He won't let you.
No.
I can do whatever I want. I'll get him, too. With